G'day YouTubers. My 10 followers, or maybe 11. We'll find out soon. Anyways, just in my yard today, looking at my Feijoa plant. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the flowers here. Absolutely beautiful pink flower. I haven't seen many bees around this year, or birds and stuff. Usually we have a whole bunch of lorikeets or something chewing on these, and I haven't seen them around, mainly probably because of neighbour's cat, who knows. But yeah, I'm doing the work of the birds this year, doing the pollinating with my fingers, getting the petals, which is really tasty treat. It's kind of like lifesavers, and a bit of rose, apple, maybe something else. But yeah, just pop these in the mouth, absolute treat. Can't get enough of them. But yeah, bumper crop this year. Pick the flower, pollinate it with my fingers, get a treat in return. So good. But yeah, that'll grow into feijoas, and yeah, make some jam with that. I might make a video of that if I ever get around to it. Got to learn from my mum. Anyways, that's a fun day learning about edible flowers and feijoa flowers. You eat the petals. It's really tasty. Yum. Anyways, have a nice day. It's been a good episode of Gardening with DJ Esky. Catch us next time. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the little bell notification. Let you guys know when I'm bringing out my next video. I'll try to make it weekly, maybe monthly. Who knows? Just see how I go with the flow. Anyways, catches. Bye-bye.